Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys another Walmart grocery haul for my family of 4, and I'm going to show you guys what all I got at the store as well as what we're going to be eating this week, so our weekly meal plan. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, make sure to subscribe and tell me where you're from in the comments. And just so you guys know, we try to stick to around $100 a week for our family of 4. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and jump into this grocery haul. Okay, so I'm back home with my groceries, but before I show you guys what I got, I wanted to tell you that I am going to be making a video all about how I meal plan, grocery shop, how I save money, all that kind of stuff, because it's one that I've been wanting to make for a while, and it's also one that has been requested a lot. So if you guys have any questions about meal planning or any of that kind of stuff, anything that you struggle with when it comes to meal planning or grocery shopping, all of that good stuff, then let me know in the comments so that way I can make sure to address it in that video. All right, let me show you what we got at Walmart. All right, guys, so this is all of our groceries that we got, and we spent a total of $107.97 on groceries this week. All right, we're gonna start over here. And the first thing that I got were these wooden craft sticks. This was actually for Gracie June's class, so that wasn't really part of what we're eating, but that is part of what we spent our money on. And then we got milk. We always get either lately we've been getting 2%. I used to do skim milk. Sometimes we will get almond milk, but we got the 2% reduced fat Great Value brand. And then we got these packs of apples and grapes together. I did not mean to get this one, honestly, but it's fine because my kids eat the heck out of fruit. So I love that these come in little packaged snacks so they can easily grab them and go. And then we also got these dip-in sticks, and it's got sliced apples and caramel. So those are really good for just grab and go snacks really quickly. Another thing that I got were mandarin oranges, and I like to put these in their lunch boxes. Gracie June loves the oranges. We still have some actually in the fridge, but I went ahead and got more because we go through these like crazy. We got grapes, strawberries, and I'll actually cut up the strawberries and put the strawberries and grapes in one big container together. Then we got some bananas. I got the organic kind. It really doesn't matter to me, but that's what I ended up getting. And then I also got several Lunchables, and I got turkey and American, and then the other one was ham and cheddar. So I like these for quick meals if like the kids, sometimes the kids even use this as a snack, but a lot of times we'll pack it in their lunch. We needed some more Go-Gurt. This is a good lunch food for the kids in their lunch boxes. All right, and then I got some string cheese. This is a lot of times what they'll eat for a snack or in their lunch boxes. The kids have a whole drawer that's just for like snacks in the fridge that are healthy snacks that they are allowed to grab from when it is snack time. So I like having all this kind of stuff in there for them to grab easily without me having to do anything. And I know that it's not like a bunch of junk. I also got some Swiss cheese because I like to do Swiss cheese, and then I got ham. So I got this Black Forest ham. So a lot of times I'll do like Swiss cheese and ham, like just rolled up together for my lunch, but the kids also like this. So that's another lunch option for them. Another thing that I got was sour cream, and we're not really picky when it comes to sour cream, so we got the Great Value brand there. On Fridays, we do a Fun Friday breakfast. This week happened to be cinnamon rolls. And then I needed some more of the kids' shampoo, and I did not realize that they were this big of the bottles, but they didn't have the smaller ones when I looked. But this is the 3-in-1. It's the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash by Suave. And this one is Watermelon Wonder Scent. And then this one is the Silly Apple Scent. But we keep one upstairs. We also keep one in our shower downstairs. And then we also keep one in our bathtub because Kaysen usually takes a shower and Gracie June usually takes a bath in our room. So we also needed some toothpaste, and we always just get Crest toothpaste. And then We also have toothbrushes upstairs and downstairs, so we needed more toothpaste. I probably should have got another one of those, but we're good. Another thing that I got was ground turkey, and we go back and forth between turkey and beef. This week we decided to do ground turkey. I also got this 5-pound bag of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and we always just get the Great Value brand if we're getting it from Walmart. If we get it from Kroger, then we'll get the Kroger brand. The next thing that we got is I got a salad, and I got this for just me. I'm gonna actually, instead of doing tacos, I'm gonna do a taco salad. So I got that for me, and that should actually, I should be able to do one meal for dinner with this, and then even a lunch the next day. I also got some macaroni and cheese. This is the Great Value brand. My kids are not picky when it comes to the quick microwavable macaroni and cheese, so I just get the Great Value brand because it's cheaper. Then I got this bag of deluxe stir fry. It's all the different veggies you need for stir fry, which I'll show you guys what we're going to be using that for in a minute. Obviously a stir fry, but I got an onion too, because a lot of times there's not enough onion. So actually I don't think there's any onion in this one, so we're going to do onion with that. A couple of Roma tomatoes, that'll be for my salad. This hummus is so awesome. I know I've shared this with you guys before, but this is the supremely spicy hummus, and if you like spicy, then this is so good. But they also have lots of different flavors, so we like to dip our celery and peppers and also chips, any kind of thing. We usually have the pita chips, which we already have a whole bag in our pantry, so I didn't have to buy those, but we dip the pita chips in here, and I'll show you guys those in just a second. But that's really good, and like I said, they have different flavors. We also got these Great Value tortilla chips, and they're the bite-sized kind, and usually we do the scoops because I like the scoops a lot. But I remember the first time we tried these, I don't usually get Great Value chips, but these are actually really, really good. So if you are like wanting to save some money and you want tortilla chips, then definitely get these. Kason really loves tortilla chips. He'll just eat those without anything. So I got these because we go through them pretty quickly. And then I also got a big bag of Doritos just for like snacks. I also got 2 packs of the 12 packs of Diet Dr. Pepper. They were on sale. And then a pack of 40 water bottles, and I just got the Great Value brand. They were also on sale this week. We don't use water bottles like crazy, so this will actually last us a really long time, probably all month, because we usually use water out of the refrigerator, but a lot of times, like if we're in a hurry for a baseball game or something like that, then we'll just grab a water out of the fridge from outside. But we don't usually use these up quickly. Like I said, they'll probably last us all month. So those were all the groceries for the entire week that we actually needed. And let me show you these chips really quick. I went ahead and pulled them out, but these are the Stacy's chips. They have the bagel chips and the pita chips, and I really like the pita chips. This is fire roasted jalapeno, but they have all different flavors. I like eating that with the hummus, but like I said, we already had a couple of bags, so I didn't need to get that. Okay, so like I said, that's all the groceries that we needed for this week. So now I'm going to show you guys our meal plan and what we're eating. A lot of the stuff on our meal plan we already had things for, so we just kind of got the extra things that we needed to go with it. So let me show you that really quick. All right, so this is our meal plan for this week. We are starting with Monday. We have chicken and veggies, and we already have asparagus in the fridge, so we're gonna do some chicken, asparagus, and we're probably gonna do some pasta with it too that we already have. Tuesday is tacos, so we're gonna use that ground turkey for tacos, and we already had tortillas. Then I'm gonna do the taco salad for myself. On Wednesday, we're gonna do stir fry. We had some flank steak that we're gonna be using for that, and then the stir fry vegetables and the onions, and then we also have some rice, so we may do rice with that, not really sure yet. On Thursday, we're gonna do crock pot orange chicken, and we already had the chicken and the jelly. We already had everything for this because we didn't end up cooking it a few weeks ago, so we already have all of that. It's gonna go straight into the crock pot. It'll be super easy. Fridays we do pizza. Saturday it says out to out to eat, but we have like a little event at our clubhouse this weekend, so we don't even have to worry about Saturday night's dinner. And then on Sunday, we're gonna be doing breakfast for dinner just because we wanted to make it super easy because we have small group and we have baseball on Sunday. So we wanted something that was super quick and easy. So we'll probably just end up doing eggs and bacon, maybe some grits or something like that. So that's our weekly meal plan. So as you can see, I try to keep our grocery shopping and meal planning, all that kind of stuff, to a minimum and make it super easy and simple. I try to use things that are already in my fridge and pantry before I go grocery shopping. That way I can keep the budget down and all that good stuff. Plus, like, we do really simple meals during the week just because we have sports and church and we host small group here at our house. So it's just crazy hectic around here, which I'm sure that you guys are super busy as well. So this is just an encouragement for you guys that you don't have to cook Pinterest meals every single night. Like, use what you have. We are cooking to have energy to do all the other things, and it doesn't have to be super complicated every single week. Now, we do the Pinterest meals occasionally. We try to work those in and everything on the nights that we actually have time for that. And we also use HelloFresh to keep it simple for us some weeks. This week we are not using HelloFresh. We're just using all of our meals. We try to do it maybe once a month, maybe, it just depends. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this grocery haul and seeing what we're eating this week. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to keep doing videos like this. Subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to let me know if you have any questions or anything for the meal planning and grocery shopping video that I'm going to be putting together just to show you guys how I meal plan, how I grocery shop, how I budget, all that kind of stuff for food for our family of 4. So definitely let me know if you have anything that you want me to talk about. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.